Good morning. In the last class, we have started recording transactions part 2. In that we said the number of subsidiary books we have. One of that was the cash book. So in that there are different types of the cash book. Was a simple cash book and double cash book, petty cash book. Now first we are beginning with the simple cash book. Now see here in your textbook numerical questions 143 I have here in the textbook. So you see in the new textbook the page number may be different here. So it is recording transaction part 2 numerical questions you have to come. The first one is given as enter the following transaction in simple cash book. Now what is the rule of cash book we should see here. Cash account. So it is a real account, right? Cash account is an asset. It is an asset. So asset account here is what comes in will be the debit, what goes out will be the credit. What comes in means the cash. Now we are preparing here cash. Cash comes in is a debit, cash goes out will be the credit. So you should remember only this one simple rule. So cash is coming into the firm, write that particular account name in the debit side. If cash is going out here, you write that particular account in the credit side. Now we will see here one by one transaction. It's given as cash in hand. So cash in hand means it is already some opening cash balance we have. So before maybe last month balance already it is there. So we have already some cash balance we have. So it's the opening cash balance. So it will be always debit side. We will write as a balance because it is a last year's balance. We will write as a balance brought down. Next, cash received from Banu. So cash received means cash is coming. So cash is coming, we should write here this one in the debit side. Then rent paid. Rent paid, so when you pay the rent, cash goes out. Cash goes out will be the credit side. Then purchased goods from Murari for cash. Means you are buying the goods for the cash. When you buy the goods for cash, cash is going out. So it will be in the credit side. Then sold goods for cash. When you sell the goods, cash comes inside the firm. We will write this amount in the debit side. Purchased stationery, it is credit side because cash is going out. Cash paid, so cash is going out, credit side. Paid salary, it is credit side. Paid rent, again it is a credit. So whatever is going out will be cash goes out is a credit. Cash comes in is debit. Now we will see now here in your ledger book here how do we prepare. Now you see here, take the one full page here. So we have taken as date, particulars, LF, amount. Again here date, particulars, LF, amount and amount. So this is your credit side. We will write as a CR. This will be your debit side here. We are writing as the DR of the account. So it is same like the ledger account what we have done it in the previous chapter, that is journal with the ledger. So here the ledger of cash account, cash book we are preparing. So on the first date it is given as a cash in hand, correct? So cash in hand means I told you it is an opening balance. We'll write as to balance brought down. Means this one already some cash was there previously that we are bringing now into this account. That's why it is here debit side 12,000. Next on fifth date is given as a cash received from Banu is there. So we are receiving the cash is coming. So write the date in the date column to Banu account 4,000. Then next on seventh date we have rent paid is given. So rent paid cash is going. Seventh date by rent account it's 2,000 in the amount column. Then purchased goods is given. So purchased goods again credit side on 10th. By purchases account it is 6,000. Then the next we have as a sold goods for cash. So sold goods for cash here, cash is coming. So to sales account 9,000. Next one is bought stationery is given, means purchased stationery. So we are buying the stationery, cash is going out, credit side. Again paid to Rahul is given. So cash going out. So by Rahul account 2,000. Then salary paid, again here credit side, rent paid, it's in the credit side. Now we have credit side these amounts here, debit side we have the same, these three amounts. The same rule like in the ledger what we have done, you need to add separately your debit totals as well as the credit totals. Whichever is less here we will write as a balance carried down. Now we will add now here debits and the credits and we will see here. So now if you add now debit side here, So add all the three amounts here. Debit total we will get as 25,000. Credit side, if you add all these amount here, you will get the credit total of 11,800 we got. Now subtract here highest amount from the lowest here. Then you will get remaining balance of 13,200. Now which side we have the more amount here? Debit side is more, 25,000. Credit side we have less. The total column amount which is the highest we will write here, and which side we have the less, credit side we will write as this amount becomes as the balance carried down. Now see here, now the total column, now total is here 25,000. The same even here, credit side also we are writing as 25,000. So this is also your total. So total column amount will be the same. Now which side you got the less amount here? Credit side. So that shortage less amount we are writing here as by balance carried down 13,200. Okay. Then same carried down you have to bring it and write as balance brought down. That's why here opposite side, right? So carried down is here means brought down should come here. To balance brought down 13,200. So this is how we will do the simple cash book.